To the Affordable Home Electrification 102. Why make the switch for the owners of single family homes? We will discuss what equipment is eligible for replacement, benefits of HVAC, electrification, heavy ups, induction cooking, heat pump close drying, and solar for all. All gas and oil HVAC equipment are eligible for replacement. Radiators and oil or gas tanks will not be replaced. Electric to electric equipment replacement will be on a case by case basis. The ideal home has existing ductwork, has been weatherized. All existing gas equipment is replaced and is interested in participating in rooftop solar. Benefits of HVAC electrification are comfort, cost, and climate. Electrifying can increase indoor air quality, and residents will never have to worry about a gas leak again. Residents can better regulate the temperature across their home with a system that provides consistent heating and cooling. Upgrading older systems with newer, modern, energy efficient equipment that will not only run better but cut costs. Potentially increase your property value with new equipment upgrades. Residents can participate in the clean energy future by reducing their carbon footprint and cutting emissions. If their power is sourced from renewable energy, they can cut emissions even further. For the average house, installing electric heat pumps in place of a gas furnace and gas water heater will reduce heating emissions more than 45% over the next 10 years. A heavy up is normally required to increase the capacity of a home's electric meter or panel to allow additional and larger electrical equipment to safely be added to the home's electric system. Induction stoves are the latest innovation in kitchen appliances. Traditional stoves are using heating elements to transfer heat to the cookware. Induction stoves use electromagnetic fields to directly hit the pots and pans. This makes them more energy efficient, safer, and faster than conventional electric stoves. Induction stove installation includes 11-piece induction stove cookware, which will be provided to all customers that participate in the program and receive an induction stove. Heat pump dryer features ventless design, no more lint buildup, operates in lower heat settings, safer for clothes, and eco-friendly. Heat pump dryers can reduce energy use by at least 28% when compared to traditional gas and electric dryers. Single family solar is a program that DCSU and DOE work with local solar contractors to design and install solar PV systems at no cost to income qualified district homeowners and renters. These systems have the potential to offset electricity costs by about $500 each year, and when combined with AHAP, offset any potential increases. Community solar. You can still access savings through Solar for All Community Solar with DOEE. The DCSEU also works with solar developers to install large community solar systems and structures around the district as part of the Solar for All program that you can subscribe to and save about $500 each year. You can apply for single family solar alongside AHAP application and community solar directly through DOEE at their website, which is listed at your screen. Thank you for your attention.